We have sesame seed brioche buns, mayonnaise, spring mix, couple of tomatoes, paprika, garlic, oregano, black pepper, salt, dill pickles. And the star of the show, the chicken that has been sitting in pickle juice for 24 hours. A little longer, but still. I just want you to get a good look at that. That's where the marinade is. We're gonna use a half a cup of cornstarch and a half cup of all-purpose flour. And we got our bacon. All right, we're gonna put our bacon in, start it, get it going. Okay, we're just gonna add pepper to our cornstarch and flour mixture. This is the 50-50 cornstarch, 50% flour. Here's our salt. Okay, so that's our chicken breast that's been marinating. We're gonna add paprika. We're gonna add garlic. We're gonna add black pepper. We're gonna add a little salt. And we're gonna turn it over and do the exact same thing in reverse. Salt, pepper, paprika, garlic, oregano. Alright, so when it's seasoned, that's what it should look like. Now, if I would have had cayenne pepper, I would have added cayenne pepper, but I'm out. But this is what you're getting. Alright, so I'm just gonna put my chicken in here and my 50-50 mixture and mix it up. See it's in there? We're just gonna mix it, get the flour coated. Alright, so since this is such a large chicken breast, I'm gonna cut it so we have the 2 pieces. And I'm gonna fry 2 pieces. Alright, so we already have one chicken breast fried. I'm gonna do the second one. Alright, so our bacon is ready. Alright, we're gonna start cooking our bun. Let the butter get warm. Gonna melt the butter. Then we're gonna add our brioche bun. Alright, so I added more oil, and it's back up to temp. Alright, because it's a chicken sandwich, we're gonna add Munster, and we're gonna add provolone. Alright, so we got our buns out. It's still really warm. We're gonna add some mayonnaise on the toppings. Got a little mayonnaise, add it. Top and bottom. We're gonna add some lettuce. We're gonna add some tomato. We're gonna add some pickles. We're gonna add our bacon. Okay, we're gonna add our chicken. Very hot. This is when we want to place our cheese. Alright, you need to take a good look at that chicken, bacon, cheese. Nice and buttery. Chicken's good. Cheese is melting on top of the chicken. It's so hot. We got Munster and provolone, lettuce, pickles, tomato. We got one last final ingredient we're gonna add. We can get this top off. Let's turn it upside down because I don't care where it goes, as long as it's on there. And that's it. You see it. When I say it's good, it's good. It's good. 100% good. You want this. When I say it's good, it's good. I slayed this. You gotta try it. You gotta try it.